there everybody, and welcome back to the Blossom Crochet channel. I just wanted to very quickly show you this absolutely incredible crochet book that I have got. It's a pattern book and it's, as you can see, got 40 super cute crochet patterns for adorable amigurumi. Now I'm hoping I'm going to say this right because I'm probably going to get it wrong, but I'm going to treat it like Hawaii and say Kawaii Crochet. In this gorgeous book, these are all food related items and I just thought it was so adorable that I wanted to share it with you. So this is by Melissa Bradley, and obviously I'm going to be very careful not to show you actual patterns, but I'm just going to show you the types of things that are in this book because they're so cute. So they're arranged by colour and everything. So you've got your tools and materials, obviously, your colour wheel nicely demonstrated here, and then so you've got your red section, and then these show all of the different things that are available to make in the red section. So they're all really cute. So like I say, I'm going to cover the actual patterns, but you get your materials listed, the finished size, based on obviously what size hook you're using and stuff. So this is the soda cup one, super cute. And yeah, I've made a couple of these now as presents and things, and they've been so popular. So these are really good ones to make, and probably great ones for if you're doing little market stalls and things as well. And then you move on to the orange. So you've got things like your little Halloween pumpkins, ice lollies, obviously oranges. I have to say, I think this is one of the cutest ones. This is the carrot cake. I think he's amazing. And then you'll move on to your yellow. And you've got things like your banana, your lemon. I'm assuming this is a little lemon cake. And a cute little pencil. I was right, it is a little lemon cake. Look how cute it is. And then you've got the green section. So we've got little Brussels sprouts, the pear. I've made a few of the pears now. I love the little peas in a pod. I think that's a really sweet one for kids as well. But this was the image online that I saw that made me really want to get this book, because I just thought these all look so sweet together with your popcorn buckets and your pretzels. I don't know if you can see the little face on that pretzel, just squished in at the side. Brilliant. But yeah, and then obviously you've got blue. There's just so many gorgeous patterns in here. Like, look how cute the little bowl of cereal is. I mean, is there anything cuter? It's just adorable. And then the purple section. I don't think I've made anything out of the purple section yet, but I did love the toast with jam. Obviously you could do any colour jam. I think that's really cute as well. I know I've said the word cute about 1,000 times, but it's the best word to describe this book. And then you've got a little two-tiered cake, which obviously you could make in any colours. And I think that would be a really sweet little wedding gift to give to someone, just a miniature version of a cake in their wedding colour scheme. I think that would be a really nice idea. And then we've got the pink. So you've got your watermelon lolly. You've got, I think, what is candy floss. You've got a little ice cream cone. Yeah, there's the strawberry ice cream. So again, you could change colours on this to make it whatever your chosen ice cream flavour. So really versatile. You don't have to do the patterns as the patterns. You can mix it up a bit and make them personal to you. So there you go. There's your little ice cream stall type thing. Really sweet. And then we've got the brown. And you might think brown, not the best, but they are, again, really sweet. You've got obviously a vanilla ice cream with chocolatey bits. You've got that super cute pretzel. You've got the hot dog on a stick. Ah, wait, no, it's not a hot dog on a stick, it is a corn dog. So, yes, I assume they're different. And your pancakes. I love these pancakes, I think they're amazing. And then at the end it just gives you information about the basic stitches and little hints and tips and things like that. But I just thought this was such a sweet, wonderful little book. I think it's a great one, no matter your skill level. Obviously you're mainly just using UK doubles or US singles because it's amigurumi. So I think you could definitely make this no matter what your skill level is. As long as you've got your basic stitches down and you know how to use stitch markers, I do think you'd be able to give it a good go. This book, I think I paid £10 for it on Amazon. I'm sure you can get it in other places as well, but that's just where I got it from. So if you have this book, let me know in the comments, and also let me know what you think of the sweet little projects that are in this, because they're so versatile and you can make them any way you want colour wise and they will look fabulous. But yeah, let me know what you think, and I will see you for a normal tutorial really soon. But thanks as always for watching, and bye for now.